welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Tubidy app on your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So without any further delay, let's carry on with our video. In order to download Tubidy app on your mobile phone, firstly, you'll have to open up a Play Store app. Once the main tab is open, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and then write in Tubidy. Once you're done, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, the Tubidy app is available to be downloaded. Click on the install button and now all you have to do is wait. Tubidy is a free online MP3 music and MP4 download platform. It provides the best service to convert YouTube to MP3 music or MP4 video. The installing process has now started, and once the installing process ends, the app will be successfully downloaded on a mobile phone. Once the open button turns green, tap on it and it will directly take you to the app. As you can see, the Tubidy app has now been successfully downloaded on a mobile phone and is now ready to be used. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will be back with more videos like this. Stay connected and goodbye till then.